Hello friends, welcome to our channel Youthful Living. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are back with a new video which is a homemade hair oil which gives you 100% results for hair fall, damaged hair, frizziness, dryness, breakage and split ends. So as this oil has all natural ingredients, it will be very useful for you. So let's check what all are the ingredients required to make this oil. For this, we need amla, which is Indian gooseberry, onion seeds, fenugreek seeds, coconut oil, and hibiscus flowers. So we will remove the juice from the amla. So friends, I have removed the juice of the amla, and the hibiscus flowers are sun dried. Now I have placed a pan on the stove and I am turning on the heat. Now add in the coconut oil. So I am using coconut oil here. You can also use mustard oil or sesame oil as per your preference. So once the oil is heated for a minute, I will add in the fenugreek seeds. Now I am adding in the onion seeds. Stir it well. Now we will leave the oil for 2 minutes. Stir the oil occasionally. Now I am adding in the hibiscus flowers. These hibiscus flowers are sun dried. And now let the oil boil. Keep stirring the oil. So as you see, the oil is boiling. Now we will have to add the amla juice into the oil, but you will have to be very careful because you can't add water into boiling oil. So I will turn off the flame before adding the amla juice and wait for 4 to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I will add the amla juice to the oil. This is one big bowl of amla juice. After adding it, stir it and then turn on the flame. So the oil should boil for at least 10 to 15 minutes until the water gets evaporated. So as we have added amla to the oil, amla is a great source of vitamin C and it will promote hair growth. If you have any scalp infections, it will also reduce it. As we have added fenugreek seeds to the oil, fenugreek seeds helps as a natural conditioner to your hair, and it makes your hair soft, silky and shiny. As we have added onion seeds to the oil, onion seeds make your hair black and it also stops premature graying. As we have added hibiscus flowers to it, hibiscus flowers make your hair hydrated and gives it a natural shine. So we have to let the oil boil for 10 to 15 minutes and stir it. So guys, you see the oil is boiling. Keep stirring it occasionally and place the gas on low flame. I have turned off the heat and I will let this oil stay at least for 10 to 12 hours in the same pan or overnight, so that all the extracts of the ingredients added come into the oil. So after overnight, I have removed the oil into a glass container. I have strained it. So do not throw the residue. You can put it in a mixie grinder, make a smooth paste of it, add curd and apply this mask on your hair and wash it after 40 to 50 minutes. So guys, our natural homemade oil is ready. Apply this on your hair regularly for good results. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and let us know your results in the comment section. Please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Please share and like our videos and let us